Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and I just thought I'd come and give a little tutorial. So all I'm doing is going in with the BECCA under eye primer conditioner thing. I'm still trying to work out whether this does anything or not. So I'm going in with the hydrating gel mist from ELF. So while I let that settle in, I'm just going in with the MAC Paintly. So I'm going to put this on my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the Revolution Photo Finish Primer. Just warming it up, and that's what it looks like, guys. Warming it up and just pushing it into them pores. You can see me and my lipsticks. So I'm just going to put some of this number 7 Beautiful Skin on. This is really nice and really cooling. You're supposed to keep this in the fridge, but I don't, because it's cool enough without it being in the fridge. And it sounds weird, but so I'm just gonna conceal. Yeah, I don't normally bother, but because I know you can see it on camera. So my face is all prepped and primed for the next stage, which is what? Foundation. So as we know, this is one of my, I love this, RIMMEL Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable. So I'm going to blend that one in first, and then I'll probably top up a little bit. So, doesn't need to be a heavy coat, so you see, even with that one brush stroke, that's given me a really nice, not total full colour coverage, but a nice finish on my skin. So I'm just going to top it up just only a little bit on the places that I feel I need that little extra bit. So you really don't need a lot of this product. It goes so far. Yeah, I'm trying out this last collection, Lasting Perfection, and I want to give it a proper go. I did it in the collection video, but I haven't used it since, and I know I liked it, but it's like I've got so many concealers I've got to sort of cut down on them. Light under my eyes. I'm using my ELF under eye setting powder. I'll pour some into the lid and get to dab it first, and then I'm going to put some, because this just moulds into me so nice. My eyes don't look as crepey. And then I'm going in with the MERCIA translucent powder. That isn't really, well, it is, I suppose. And because this foundation is really good, you don't need a lot of setting powder as well. So that's what I like about it. At the moment, I have been loving this. This is the KIKO bronzer in 01. And this is one of my first powders I bought a couple of years ago before I started YouTube, and it is such, and KIKO bronzers are really nice, and this is really nice. So, and it blends like a dream. And apart from the Avon one, this really is my first one. So you can really tell it's not heavy on this side. It looks it, but it's not, guys, I promise you. I promise. And I'm just going to dust down my neck. So this time I'm going into the iconic blush, bronze and brightener in Smolder, and it's the Revolution one. It's the triple packet. I'm going to be using this blush, and with this I would say go in with a light hand. Do this first. So, because this pigment on Revolutions are extremely pigment. Yeah, I'm just going to see how this works out, really, to be honest with you. You see what I mean about that blusher? And with that blonde bronzer as well, mixed beautifully. Really does. So for highlight, I've got the Colourpop in Stole the Show. And I just use my finger, because it's not a cream product, but it is a cream product, and you know, you can mesh it. Look at that, it's blinding. And then taking that blusher brush, just to make sure that it's not emphasised on my skin and everything else. So that's beautiful. I do love Colourpop. So this is the iconic Pro 1. So I think I'm going to go into this palette, and I'm just going to take this cream just here. And this cream is called Need. So I'm going into Need first. Actually I'm not, because that's a shimmer. I'm going into the one across, which is Lunar. For light, yes, but this is just for setting. I'm making so the eyeshadow blends a lot better on my eyes. Nothing else special about it. And I'm going to lightly take this grey shade here. This one just here, guys. Sort of blend that. And just blend it into the crease. So I've got I think I'm going to do like a smoky eye. Who knows? Who knows? But something that I've not tried before. And I don't use well, I do. But I'm concentrating more on my outer part of my eyes now. Yeah, I like that. Which is black, so I don't want to. It's not very pigmented, but it's enough for what I want. On the opposite eye, so going back in with that first grey just to smoke this out at the top. Just a little bit of product on there, but not a lot. In fact, no, just to blend this without any extra product on. So, you know, we don't want to look total like a glob, total black eye. So, you just keep blending till you're happy. So, I would like it a little bit darker on the outer part. I'm going to go back in with that black and just see if I can darken this just on this outer part. smudge on the... Right, doing these two iconic palettes. Because it's so dark, I'm going to go into the KIKO in 39, and it's a nice glittery, glimmery shadow. And although this is white, because it's slightly got that silver on top, it's making it more silver, which is what's nice. Oh, that's beautiful. To say this is actually a baked eyeshadow, it doesn't have fallout. It's really nice. I'll pop shadow and just pop it in the inner corners. I'm just going to put a black on top of this just to darken this edge and underneath. I'm just going to use the smudger on the end and just smudge this out. So, and that was with the ANEW pencil, guys. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my brows, my mascara, and I'll be back with the finished look. So guys, I'm back with the finished look, and I've used the ELF mascara, the Miss Beauty for my brows, and then the Brow This Way gel. And I'm going to be using the Kat Von D lipstick in the white tube that came with the pack. So first, so that I can draw the outline. So yeah, I'm gonna, I know when I bought these I didn't like the formula, but I'm gonna try them again and see. That's a beautiful red, it really is. They're just a little bit gritty. So guys, this is the finished look. It's more of a nighttime look than a daytime look, but at the end of the day, hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and I'll also get to see you guys in my next video. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.